Welcome back to a new episode. As much as it hurts that I did all the work with the roof rack, I think it's a good idea to not have as much weight on top. So what I have decided to do instead is that I cut off a piece of the roof rack, and I decided to use that for the wheel arches that I have been making right now. So I have finished the fenders, and I have also started on the wheel arches. In case I change my mind again later, I can still use the roof rack. It's just a little bit smaller, but that's a problem for later. Right now I just want to get done with the bodywork and keep going with the build. Yeah. I just wanted to show you before we head back to the van. I made the cut right there, and there was a whole other section coming out to about here. Enough metal to finish the work with the body. Let's head back over to the van and see what I have been up to so far. This is what I have been doing so far. As you saw on the outside, the body panels on this side is now finished also. It's taken a lot of time. The metal in the fenders have been so thin that it's have been almost impossible to work with. I will show you the work on the new wheel arches that I have been working on. So these parts, that long one that goes all the way over, down and into the body of the van, that is parts from the roof rack. And I welded one piece to the actual frame. I put another piece on top of that, so everything is like everything is standing on top of each other. So even though if a weld would crack or break, then it still has support from underneath. This is the frame for the actual wheel arch, and we will cover this with sheet metal. The construction of this, it strengthens the whole construction as well. So I'm really happy with that, because now it binds the walls and the frame, the pillar. It binds everything together with the body, so this whole construction is really strong. And once the sheet metal is on as well, it will make it even stronger. That is all the updates I have for now, and we will continue working. I just wanted to show you this. I managed to get all the parts for the wheel arch, and yeah, that was what was left. So fortunately I do not have to go into the store and buy any more tubing. as usual, I start working on something that I wasn't working with or planned to work with. So yeah, today I removed all the bolts for the dampers, one right there. I have already removed 2 of them. So now the plan is to brush them off as much as possible with the wire wheel or the angle grinder. And today I also made the second wheel arch, welded that in place as well. So now both of them are done. There's a lot more that I could do, like I could change all of these dampers and everything, but I don't have the money for that right now or the time. But yeah, right now I will continue working on the dampers and the mounts for those, and yeah, nice. This is what it will look like when they are all in place. Since I have loosened all of them, I can lift the floor up a little bit. It's enough to scoot this exactly in under, so this ridge fits into the hole. And once this is in place, it fits pretty damn good actually, so I'm really happy about that. Okay, so both of the wheel arches are pretty much done now. Once the floor is in, I will put body filler in every corner, make everything nice and like watertight and everything, so there's no dirt or water coming in from below. But yeah, that will have to be once the floor is in. For now, the wheel arches are done, and I think that will have to be it for this episode. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.